Hello again, my name's John. I'm a retired chef from the northeast of England in the UK, and welcome to another one of my videos. Following on from my last two videos, I'll carry on with the Christmas theme by updating my roast potato recipe to a quicker version, and this is the exact recipe we use for our customers' Christmas parties. Before I start, I'll preheat the oven to 210 degrees Celsius, that's 410 Fahrenheit, or gas mark 7. I'm setting mine to 190 Celsius as my oven's fan assisted and it runs about 20 degrees hotter than indicated on the dial. Right, in this recipe I'm using 5 medium-sized potatoes, which will yield 15 good-sized roasties. And this particular variety of potato is Maris Piper, and from what I can gather, the USA equivalent would be Yukon Gold or Russet potatoes. And before anyone asks, this is the approximate size of each potato. And what I'll do now is cut each potato into 3 pieces, then I'll get them into a pot and give them a good wash. Once that's done, I'll cover them with hot water from the tap and get them onto the stove. I like to add half a teaspoon of salt to the water. Once the pot comes to a boil, I'll set the timer for 6 minutes. And while the potatoes are boiling, I'll prepare a baking tin. And these are the dimensions of the tin. Now what's the best to roast the potatoes in? You can use oil, vegetable or sunflower. You can use lard or a shortening of your choice. My personal favourite is beef dripping, as it gives the roasties a great flavour. But because it's Christmas, I'm going to be using this rather expensive goose fat for this video. Now this is a 200 gram jar, but I'll only be using half of it, so whatever you use, you'll need 100 grams. Right, I'll get the fat into the oven to heat up while the potatoes still have a few minutes to boil. Once the 6 minutes are up, turn off the heat and drain them into a colander in the sink. Then give them a few gentle shakes, one to get rid of the excess water, but more importantly to scuff up the outside of the potato. This will make them nice and crispy as they roast. Now very carefully take the tin of very hot fat out of the oven and just as carefully pour the potatoes into the tin and watch out for splashes. Make sure all of the potatoes are completely coated in fat by turning them over with a fork. And now I'll give them a good sprinkle with sea salt and plenty of freshly ground black pepper. Once that's done, I'll get them into the hot oven and set the timer for 45 minutes. And that's all there is to making these beautifully crisp, tasty roast potatoes. I'll just drain them off on kitchen paper and let them cool for 5 minutes before the all-important taste test. And there it is, crisp on the outside and wonderfully soft and fluffy on the inside. And even if I do say so myself, these are absolutely the best roasties you'll ever taste, and so simple to make, and without a shadow of a doubt gets a thumbs up. Well, thank you again for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe by hitting the circle above. If you do subscribe, activate the bell icon next to the subscribe button on my channel page. And by doing that, you'll be automatically notified every time I upload a new video. And in the meantime, here's a few of my other videos and playlists that you may want to watch. So, until the next time, be safe in the kitchen and bye for now.